bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
The significance of the Sikh Langar lies in its embodiment of equality, selfless service, and community unity. Initiated by Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the first Sikh Guru, Langar serves free meals to all visitors, regardless of their background, religion, or social status. This practice reinforces the Sikh principles of selfless service, seva, and universal brotherhood. It operates on the concept that all people are equal, promoting a sense of community and oneness among participants. Langar not only nourishes the body but also the soul, fostering a sense of belonging and collective welfare.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.